Where do we come from? Where do we go when we die? When it's all said and done now, will we no longer have to say goodbye? Do we all feel the same when we hurt? Do we all know the pain or the curse of feeling less human? Do we all know the taste of the dirt? I'm not really sure which is worse. The picture seems broken, but you are not broken. And is it true we're connected? Does it come from mysterious cosmic force? Do we need love to guide us? I think it's true. To offer up peace in this time of war. It shouldn't matter the clothes that you wear, or to which God you bow in prayer. We are all human. And if you're gay or you're straight, who cares? We live in a world that we share. You are not broken. The picture is broken. Said we all bleed the same, yeah we all. Say we all bleed the same, we all. Yeah, we all bleed the same, we all. Yeah, we all bleed the same, we all. We all. Love, come my brother, lay down your guns. Love, come my sister, you and I are one. Love, and where do we come from? Where do we go when we die? When it's all said and done now, we no longer have to say goodbye.